Some on blood clot selector, you know me, you know who me attack, you dirty blood clot, water mouth selector. Well of pick up woman argument on your head. One time me and my girls I'm in a party are throw boy, this and that and need win for catch up. You selector, go suck your mother. You're not bigger than me. Who you? You come through a word. Dirty blood clot water mouth selector. Know what you do, because next time me come on your blood clot party, I attack the things them. May I come with a blood clot pad and go so all this pad blood clot pull up. Suck your mother. You're a man. Be a man. And not involved in a blood clot woman argument. Woman have them argument and thing and ray. You're a man. You have a pussy in front of you. You take cocky. Know where your blood clot. And next time I do that, me I walk with a blood clot pad and give you a pad pull up. Go suck your mother and you know yourself. Because me and every blood clot selector good. One blood clot selector me and them not good.